Good morning, my name is Mike Leppan and I'm the technical representative for Almar Container Group, and I'm here just to help you understand the setup prior to you receiving your new container on site. And I'd just like to describe a few of the basic ideas of how you prepare your site prior to your container arriving. So what we would like to show you here is that the container needs to be placed down on a hard surface that is not going to compress over time, and the container will sink into a soft surface. That's the first criteria. The container is level from left to right, so that when the container is placed, your doors are square. The reason for that is that if they are not, it will be extremely difficult to open and close your doors. You'll note that the container is slightly raised in the front on the machine end, and that is to facilitate any wash water that is used on the inside of the container to flow out of the container when the container is washed. Second criteria to make note of is that the cable and plug are still in situ and that there are no damaged areas on the cable or the plug. The last point to observe is to make sure that the container is not placed any closer than 1 meter away from any solid structure like a wall, and that is to facilitate the extraction of hot air from the condenser, and also to make sure that our technicians, should they need to work on the container, have full access to the control panel and to the compressor. Please note that should you require any additional rigging, such as placing into a warehouse or perhaps on soft ground, please notify the Almar operations team so that they can plan ahead for any additional rigging that is required.